po kami soda dito po sir. Wala po kami soda po.
Wala soda.
Malinis lang po.
Want rice?
Hi!
I want rice. I don't need the rice. I don't need.
Ay, you're too young. Baby ka pa, you need to use spoon and fork. You don't know how to use chopstick. Kay Gigi mo ibigay na lang.
Pagka may...
Pag may naluto.
Hungry na siya eh.
Oo, kanina pa siya nagsabi mga gutom na daw siya.
Na?
You told me a while ago, you're already hungry.
Hungry ng baby ko eh.
Super hungry.
Bawa naman baby ko eh. Hungry na siya eh.
Kasi hindi pa ako nag-eat eh. I don't like vegetable.
It's okay, you can eat the vegetable.
But I don't like the vegetable.
Healthy yan eh.
Yummy naman. Why don't you like? Sarap naman.
Eh, pag-big nga ako, gusto ko yun.
Blow mo muna mami. Blow mo. Gigi yan.
Wow, samgi.
Mami, blow mo.
Is it your favorite food?
Yeah, that one is.
Yes.
Yeah, it's my favorite food. Vegetable ba din yan? Yung anay jagwar?
Why?
Yes, so but hindi siya
Hindi na may
vegetable.